Beep. Is it going? It's going.
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh God!
Yeah! I don't know. It spells LOL.
Is it really picking you up?
Should we pull a little bit?
Yes. Don't say like to me.
Don't let me end up in the bonfire.
I feel like an idiot dancing in front of your dad.
So do I.
What are we doing? Just like waving it, having a party. Oh, mine's got a limb. That's so lol.
I already
Right, I'm
suggested
telling my name.
that.
When I wasn't listening, I was like,
Holy.
I think I really. Hang on, 1 minute ago.
I'm putting a really retarded face.
I don't think he'll pick that up.
What?
It looks very dark.
Maybe step a bit closer.
Yeah.
No, it'll be fine. I should be able to play with sparklers, it's not good.
No, I don't think you should. They really are giant sparklers.
It lasts forever. Okay, I feel like an idiot now.
They make your arm ache.
Yeah, the sparkle. Okay, good.
Finny!
No.